How to fix upload or verification selfie Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So when your account is suspended, Facebook asks you to upload a verification selfie facing in different directions in order to make sure that mm, it is the correct person that is trying to revive the Facebook account. This is for your account's safety and privacy. So what you will have to do is simply open the camera that in your Facebook application. When it asks you to upload a verification selfie, now simply you will be asked to move your face in different directions, such as to right and left and up and down. Once you have taken the selfie, you will see a screen to submit your selfie. Once you have submitted your selfie, you can keep using Facebook or exit the app. Facebook will tally your selfie with the post or photos that you have uploaded in your account, and then your account will be revived it if the face matches. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.